Good evening, everyone. It is Stephen and Andrew from Pin in the Atlas, and tonight we're going to be doing something very special.
We are going to be exploring the Big Thunder gold mine, and apparently there's meant to be lots and lots of paranormal activity. So let's take a look. So gold was discovered here in 1882 by two German people.
Oh, and here we got some old shovels.
Now I think before we go any further, we should introduce ourselves. Hello there. My name's Andrea.
Hi, I'm Stephen.
We're here to explore.
So you are more than welcome to come on camera if you'd like to, or if you'd like to talk to us. If we don't answer, we may not hear you, but our microphones may pick it up.
Yes, it wasn't a very productive gold mine. The whole idea initially was there's another mine next door, and they wanted to intercept the gold, or the vein of that mine.
And there's a drill here.
Now this mine is actually the safest mine in the whole of the Black Hills because it was built in solid rock, and it's actually used, or it was used, as a bomb shelter.
Oh wow.
That's how safe it is.
Yeah, and it's one of those things, because this is a tourist attraction as well. You see how clean the floor is, but again, yeah, you look at the rock and this is absolutely solid. And another measure is the echo. You can hear your voice echoing.
And there's also fresh air. There's a fresh air pipe, a ventilation pipe that comes down. So when it's windy, it flushes out any dead air that might be in the, trapped in here.
Right. And I think the depth from the opening at it, they said, was 680 feet to the face.
So. Now this is the muck sheet.
The muck sheet. So yes, there are reports that you will hear tapping on the muck sheet. And it seems to just be the same, so it's not like somebody just... So you hear a tap and a bit of an echo, but they say it sounds like somebody's... Or like rocks are still falling on it.
Right, so I'm going to set up this other camera to see if we can pick anything up. So, hello? Is anybody there? We're just here paying a visit, having a look at your wonderful mine.
You can see there's a little bit of moisture on the ground here. You heard some tappings. Here's the water. It's coming out from right there.
That's strange, isn't it, how it's just seeping through solid rock?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a light on in the back. And so some of the people that have given tours, they've had their own personal stories, like I said, with the muck sheet.
Before you go any further, look how it's starting to make stalactites.
Oh yeah.
Stalactites from the ceiling, stalagmites from the floor. 85.
85, 185, or is that just I'm not sure.
I don't know, but that's definitely an 85.
Yeah, it's definitely 85 there. And there's a lot more water on the ribs. Oh, caught that drip, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, you can see a bunch of
the dripping.
Drip marks on the floor here. spot where the drill still went. But yeah, in the back of the mine, you feel incredibly safe in here. It almost doesn't, it looks like you would see it like an attraction where this would be styrofoam or cement poured in.
It reminds me of the blog that we wrote before we did YouTube.
Oh, Burrow Schmidt's?
Burrow Schmidt's tunnel.
Except for this one, I can stand completely upright. I don't have to, I know Burrow Schmidt's was fairly short, so I had to I duck the whole time.
Let's see if there's any, is that a little bit of, is that a scratch or is that just a?
Kind of looks like a CH, but I don't know if that's...
Well, the two German miners, they didn't know each other. They met and they became partners because they were the only two that could speak German.
Okay.
And they stayed together for over 30 years. Mining this particular mine.
No, it's fur. It's a little shorter in here.
Now, one of the tour guides heard a child cry in here, which was a bit bizarre.
Oh yeah, that's the story I was going to continue with. So he was in here on his own, heard the mucking sheet, was going to head back there, and then also heard the sound of a child crying. And he said obviously he was the only one here in the mine, so he said he would not come back in here on his own. Real narrow here. Oh wow.
This is pretty neat, isn't it?
This is cool.
And it's great for people to be able to come in here and actually see what a mine is like.
All this timbering, square set. Does this continue up in the shaft? No. Stoped it out in decent ways.
And that's the face.
You can maybe hear and see some of the water dropping.
So I'm going to leave you here and I'm going to go back by myself to get the other camera. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Not really.
Where's the camera?
I'm going to leave it there.
Oh.
Well, I figured there's no point in coming to get it to bring it up here. We might as well just leave it down there because it might catch something. Because at the moment, I haven't felt anything. I was too scared to go right the way down by myself in the dark. Well, thank you very much for allowing us to visit your mine.
And if you were speaking to us, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.
And on that note, get out there, go and explore, put another pin in the atlas, and we may see you on our next adventure.
And if you do watch us on YouTube, please subscribe, like, and share with everybody that you know. It helps us out a great deal.
And if you'd like to support our channel, feel free to become a patron or help fuel Tonto using the PayPal links below. Bye.
Have a nice night.
Okay, let's leave that running.
Get some picture and come back.
Get some pictures and come back. Okay, so look, that 100%, that is recording.
Recording.